customer demand was for a tilting train able to run at 220 km per hour in the harsh Nordic winter conditions, for a temperature up to minus 40 degrees Celsius. For the winterization of the product, we started from our experience gained in more than 10 years of operation of our pendolino in Finland, and we use a similar winterization solution as that. Rubber bellow protections are included in the critical areas of the bogies, like the secondary suspension spring, to avoid the accumulation and the packing of snow. The traction system is new. It is the one of our new pendolino generation, which helps to reduce the energy consumption during the operation of the train.